welcome. If you're first time here, my name is Mihaela and you're watching Vanity Vintage. In this 4-episode series, I am going to be focusing in skincare with products that you can find from the comfort of your own home. We're not going to use any chemicals, which is good, and all the recipes are also vegan friendly. So, we're only going to be needing 4 ingredients. We're going to be using outstanding oats, which is going to be what I call the skin food. It's packed with minerals and vitamins, and it's really going to give our skin that nourishment it's going to be needing. Then we're going to use lemon, and lemon is going to be our deep cleanser. And lemon has some acid, so it's going to open those pores and also remove gently the outer layer of the skin so that we can really focus in these problem areas. Then we're going to be using honey, and honey is a natural antiseptic. So let's just begin making the paste. We're going to be needing the, as I previously mentioned, oats. And I prefer to put the lukewarm water in already here so that I can begin soon already mashing everything up. Then we're going to be using honey. And as I said previously, just use as good quality honey as you can get. This is locally produced from our lovely neighbors. Just mixing everything up like so. And then let's squeeze in some lemon juice. And I put my fingers under so that if there is going to be any, as you can see, any stones, the stones will not be going in to the mask itself. Then we're just gonna go in and mix everything together. Mix everything really well into a smooth paste. As you can see, this is a bit runny. Then we're just gonna be adding some oats. We're just mixing everything well together. And you can let the ready-made paste sit for about 10 minutes before applying it on your face, just to make sure that the oats are going to be softened, and then you can apply it evenly onto your skin. Here's the ready-made paste. I let it chill for about 10 minutes. It's really sticky, not going anywhere. You can turn it almost upside down, still not moving anywhere. So let's apply it to the face. I just washed my face with some lukewarm water and some gentle soap. No fancy things. And here, if you have a fancy applicator, go ahead and use it. I prefer this 5-finger technique. Works wonders. Then we're just gonna be generously applying it all over in the face with this kind of round circulars, so that we can also kind of peel some of the skin as well. There we go. And if it feels a bit tingly, that's going to be the lemon. That's totally normal. It's just the acids in the lemon that are really working their way through in the pores and opening them. And then the saponin is kind of natural soap, which is in the oatmeal, is going to be really deep cleaning those pores and getting rid of all the nasty things. Don't forget to apply this also on your neck, and if you're really hardcore, please do put it on your lips. It will work really wonders on the lips as well. Leave it on for about 20 minutes so that it will be dry all the way through. It's not gonna dry like super dry, but pretty dry it will be. And of course, this is porridge. I don't know if you left some oatmeal in the kettle. It's going to be pretty hard to wash off. So if you're going to be applying it all the way into your chest, I suggest that you're gonna wash it off in the shower, but whatever works for you. Now I'm just gonna grab some tea. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Don't forget to like the video and please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye!